Hello and welcome back to Bilal Consultancy. Today, we're exploring a fascinating concept that helps us understand customer satisfaction and prioritize features: the Kano model. There's a misconception that customers don't know what they want and have to be told. However, the reality is different. Customers indeed have an idea of what they want, but articulating those needs might not be their forte. What is the Kano model? This is where the Kano model becomes invaluable. It helps us dissect and comprehend three types of customer needs: expected, normal, and exciting. Beyond blindly telling customers what they want, it's an established fallacy that customers are incapable of articulating their own needs. While they might struggle to express them precisely, their desires and frustrations hold valuable information. By uncovering these underlying needs, businesses can tailor their offerings to achieve genuine customer satisfaction, foster loyalty, and gain a competitive edge. Unveiling normal needs, the wants and satisfiers. Normal needs, also known as wants or satisfiers, represent the second tier of customer expectations in the Kano model. These are the qualities and attributes that customers actively desire and seek out in a product or service. They keep a supplier competitive and ensure its continued presence in the market. Key characteristics of normal needs. Desire-driven. Customers actively seek out products or services that fulfill their normal needs. Their presence creates satisfaction, while their absence leads to dissatisfaction. Spoken expectations. Unlike basic needs, customers can articulate their normal needs and often list them as desired features or desired levels of performance. Varying impact. The impact of fulfilling or not fulfilling normal needs varies across customers and products. Some may be considered must-haves, while others are deemed less essential. Dynamic nature. Normal needs can evolve over time as customer preferences, market trends, and technological advancements change. Examples of normal needs. Additional features. In a smartphone, this could include a high-resolution camera, long battery life, or a large display. Customization options. Allowing customers to personalize their product experience, such as choosing the color, size, or functionality. Convenience features. Services like free shipping, quick and easy returns, or online booking systems. Higher quality materials or components. Customers might prefer products made with premium materials offering superior durability. Aesthetic appeal. The design and style of the product or service can influence customer satisfaction. Understanding and addressing normal needs. Businesses can gain valuable insights into customer desires by conducting market research. Analyzing surveys, focus groups, and customer feedback can reveal common themes and preferences. Developing a VOC table. This tool helps gather, categorize, and prioritize customer wants and translate them into actionable insights. Analyzing customer behavior. Observing how customers interact with products and services can provide insights into their unspoken desires. Utilizing Kano analysis. This model helps identify which normal needs have the greatest potential to increase customer satisfaction. By effectively addressing normal needs, businesses can increase customer satisfaction and loyalty, gain a competitive edge in the marketplace, attract new customers and expand their market share, drive innovation and develop products or services that truly resonate with their target audience. However, it's crucial to understand that fulfilling normal needs alone is not enough to create lasting customer delight. Businesses must continuously strive to identify and address emerging needs, exceeding expectations and delivering exceptional experiences to ensure long-term success. Exciting needs. These are features and properties that make a supplier a leader in the market. The highest level of customer expectations, as described by Kano, is termed the wow-level qualities, properties, or attributes. These expectations are also known as the delighters or exciters because they go well beyond anything the customer might imagine and ask for. Their absence does nothing to hurt a possible sale, but their presence improves the likelihood of purchase. Wows not only excite customers to make on-the-spot purchases but make them return for future purchases. These are unspoken ways of delighting the customer. Examples include heads-up display in a front windshield, forward and rear-facing radars, and a 100,000-mile warranty. Over time, as demonstrated by the arrow going from top left to bottom right in the Kano model, wows become wants become musts. For example, automobile self-starters and automatic transmissions. The organization that gets ahead and stays ahead constantly pulses its customers to identify the next wows. The best wows, plenty of wants, and all the musts are what it takes to become and remain an industry leader. History of the Kano Model. The Kano Model was developed in the 1980s by Dr. Noriaki Kano, a professor of quality management at the Tokyo University of Science. He was deeply interested in understanding customer satisfaction and the factors that influenced it. Early influences. Kano's work was influenced by several key figures and concepts. Abraham Maslow, his hierarchy of needs provided a framework for understanding the different levels of human needs. Joseph Juran, his contributions to quality management emphasized the importance of customer satisfaction. Quality Function Deployment, QFD. This methodology provided a structured approach for translating customer needs into product specifications. Development of the model. Through extensive research and analysis, Kano identified 3 categories of customer needs. Must-be basic needs. These are the fundamental requirements that customers expect to be fulfilled in any product or service. Their absence leads to dissatisfaction, but fulfilling them alone doesn't necessarily create excitement. One-dimensional performance needs. These needs are related to the specific features and functionalities of a product or service. Customers seek greater fulfillment as the performance of these needs improves. Exciting, delight needs. These are unexpected needs that go beyond customer expectations. Fulfilling them leads to delight and surprise, creating a competitive advantage and fostering brand loyalty. Kano also developed the now famous Kano Model diagram, which visually represents the relationship between customer satisfaction and the fulfillment of different needs. This model became a valuable tool for businesses to understand their customers better, prioritize product development efforts, and ultimately drive satisfaction and loyalty. Impact and evolution. The Kano model has had a significant impact on various industries, including product development. It helps companies prioritize features and functionalities based on their potential to satisfy customers. Marketing and sales. It helps businesses understand customer needs and communicate their value proposition more effectively. Customer service. It helps companies identify areas for improvement and deliver exceptional service experiences. Over the years, the Kano model has further evolved with the addition of new categories like indifferent needs and reverse needs. These additions reflect the dynamic nature of customer expectations and the need for continuous adaptation in the marketplace. Conclusion. The Kano model remains a valuable tool for businesses seeking to understand and fulfill customer needs. Its simple yet powerful framework helps organizations prioritize resources, develop customer-centric strategies, and achieve sustainable competitive advantage. As customer expectations continue to evolve, understanding and applying the Kano model will remain critical for businesses to thrive in the ever-changing market landscape. Creating a Kano model. Step 1. Define the product or service. Clearly identify the product or service you want to analyze using the Kano model. This helps focus your research and ensures accurate data collection. Step 2. Identify potential customer needs. Brainstorm and list all potential features, attributes, or functionalities that customers might desire. This can be done through internal discussions, competitor analysis, and preliminary customer research. Step 3. Develop Kano questionnaire. Design a questionnaire that presents each need in 2 ways. Functional form, a positive statement describing the presence of the need. Dysfunctional form, a negative statement describing the absence of the need. For example, functional form, the product has a long battery life. Dysfunctional form, the product has a short battery life. Ensure the questionnaire is clear, concise, and easy for customers to understand. Step 4. Conduct customer survey. Administer the questionnaire to a representative sample of your target audience. Collect responses from a diverse group of customers to ensure accurate results. Step 5. Analyze data. Analyze the responses to categorize each need into one of the Kano model categories. Must-be basic needs. Needs whose fulfillment is essential and their absence leads to dissatisfaction. One-dimensional performance needs. Needs whose satisfaction increases with their performance level. Exciting, delight needs. unexpected needs whose fulfillment delights customers and creates a competitive advantage. Indifferent needs, needs that do not significantly impact customer satisfaction, regardless of their presence or absence. Reverse needs, needs whose presence leads to dissatisfaction and whose absence leads to satisfaction. Use statistical analysis techniques to calculate the percentage of customers who categorized each need into each category. Step 6. Create Kano Model Diagram. Plot the results on the Kano Model Diagram, which has two axes. X-axis represents the level of fulfillment of a need, ranging from not done at all to done very well. Y-axis represents the level of customer satisfaction, ranging from total dissatisfaction to total satisfaction. Each need is plotted based on its calculated satisfaction and fulfillment levels. Step 7. Interpret results and develop action plan. Analyze the results of the Kano model to identify the most impactful needs for improvement. Prioritize the development of features and functionalities that address the must-be and one-dimensional needs. Look for opportunities to surprise and delight customers by fulfilling exciting needs. Develop a detailed action plan to address the identified needs and track progress over time. Additional tips. Use a combination of open-ended and closed-ended questions in your survey. Pilot test your questionnaire before conducting the full survey. Consider using software tools to analyze your data and create the Kano model diagram. Regularly conduct Kano surveys to identify changes in customer needs and adjust your product or service accordingly. By following these steps, you can effectively create a Kano model and gain valuable insights into your customer needs. This information can be used to improve your product or service, enhance customer satisfaction, and gain a competitive edge in the marketplace. The Kano model equips you with the insights needed to create products and services that truly resonate with your audience.